Hello dear children, I'm again Shalini Khanna here with the new topic division of decimals. So let's get started. First, as we have done in the multiplication of decimals, same we will do in the division of decimals. Instead of dividing them in the column, we will shift the decimal to the left side. In the multiply, we were shifting the decimal to the right side. In division, we are shifting the decimal to the left side. So we will go opposite. If I am dividing here 235.4 by 10, I will shift this decimal one step to left and it will give me 23.54. If I give you the same number 235.4 divided by 100, now I have to shift my decimal 2 steps, that will give you 2.354. Now, if I am having here 0.2 and I divided by 100, suppose. If I have to shift my decimal to left side 2 steps, 1, 2. I am not having any other digit here. So what I'll do, I'll put the 0. Because putting the 0 in the beginning doesn't make any difference. So I'll start shifting the decimal 1, 2 and I'll put the decimal here. Your answer will be 0.002. As you all know, we cannot start a decimal number with the decimal. So we have to put the 0 in the beginning. So this will be your answer. Okay. If number of digits are less on the left side, you can add zeros as many as you want. And then you shift the decimal. I hope it's very clear to you. Next comes decimal by whole number. When you are dividing a decimal number by a whole number, how we can do? 6.4 divided by 2. 6.4 divided by 2 में आप क्या करोगे? You will remove the decimal and you will divide 64 by 2. When you will divide 64 by 2, you will get 32. Now, here after decimal you have 1 digit. After decimal you have 1 digit. So, here in the answer, you will leave last digit and put the decimal. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now, there is one more method in it. If we have to divide 6.4 by 2, we can write it as 6.4 divided by 2. 6.4 can be written as 64 by 10 and divided by 2. 2 means it can be written as 2 by 1. As we have learned in the fractions, division will be changed into multiply and the reciprocal of the second term. So it will be 64 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 2. Again, you will cut it 32 by 10, which will give us 3.2. So you can see the answer in both the cases is same, 3.2. So you can use this method also, you can use this method also. For both these first and second parts, I have given you 5 questions based on that. Try these. I am waiting for 5 seconds. You can note down these questions in your notebook because you are going to do them as your assignment. I am not giving this in the assignment. You will note down from the video only. So try these in your notebook along with the next exercise also, 2.7. Okay, let's come back to the third part where we have to divide decimal by decimal. When I am having 22.5 divided by 1.5, first method, how you can do it is 22.5 divided by 1.5. 22.5 can be written as 225 by 10. and 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10. Again, same as you were dividing the fractions. Divide will be changed into multiply and 10 by 15. So here you can cut, 10 will be cut by 10, 15 5 से कट हो जाएगा, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 2 25, 5 5s are 25. Again I can cut, 3 1s are 3, 3 15s are, so answer will be 15. If I divide this number as 42.8 divided by 0.02, 42.8 can be written as 428 by 10 and 0.02 can be written as 2 by 100. So 428 by 10 multiplied by 100 by 2, the reciprocal of the second one, same as we have done in the fractions. So I can cut 0 by 0, then I can cut 2 into 2 divided, this 428 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 214 into 10, which will give you 2140. So here the answer will be 2140. One more method is there which you can use for solving this. Again you can see here I have written 5 questions based on this same. You can solve them as your assignment. I'll tell you another method here, as I am having 22.5 divided by 1.5. Okay, so what you can do here, you can write it in the fractions form, 22.5 divided by 1.5. Basic aim in this method will be to convert the denominator into the whole number. And to convert it into the whole number, we need the decimal at the last. And decimal last में आए, उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? We will multiply it with 10. Why we are multiplying it with 10? क्योंकि डेसिमल को लास्ट में लाने के लिए हमें एक स्टेप को क्रॉस करना है. So we multiply it by 10 and we multiply the numerator also by 10. Whatever number we are multiplying by, whatever number we are using in the denominator, same we will use in the numerator. So it will give you 225 divided by 15, because point will come at the last. Here also it will be at the last, and 0 at the last is having no value. So when you will cut it, your answer will be 15. Here also the answer was 15. You can see. So these are the 3 ways by which we can divide the decimal numbers. Now these are 15 questions based on all the 3 topics. You have to do them in your notebook as your assignment. Try them, and if any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.